Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to do a quick review on my original GoPro Hero 2 that I use for a body cam, and new GoPro 6 that Sam Sani sent me. He also included some spare batteries, SD card and whatnot. Rather pricey. I believe that the whole package ran around $500. Now the GoPro 6 is capable of recording in 4K. Right now I have both of these cameras set on 720 by 60. Now I've been using the Hero 6 as a secondary camera under my main camera. Good things about it. I believe that, and you're going to be, I think you'll be able to see it in this video, the video quality at 720 is better than the original Hero, which I'm going to say is probably the optics that are built into the camera. The lenses and stuff are probably better quality. Audio is substantially better on the 6. They're about the same size, about the same weight. My only criticism of the 6, my only thing that I can say that's negative is the battery life. Even recording at 720, the battery life hovers around an hour plus or minus. The original Hero 2 is good for closer to an hour and 45 minutes. It's it's a substantial difference when you're in the field and have to stop and change batteries. Probably under most conditions, it's not going to matter. The battery's charged pretty quickly. But if I were covering a demonstration of some sort, a protest march, something like that, having the extended battery capacity is important. Also for the Hero 2, I have a mount for the back of it so I can double the batteries. With the GoPro 6, I don't have that. I would have to run a cord from a secondary battery or something like that. I understand it can be done, but it's just one more headache. What else? Better audio on the 6, better picture quality on the 6. I really can't find anything bad to say about the 6 except for the battery life. I've been favorably impressed with it. It's also Wi-Fi capable, so if you want to live stream, you can do that. It's a good camera. Is it worth $400 or $400 to $500 versus a used GoPro Hero 2 for 40 bucks off of eBay? That's going to be up to you. Me, I'm on a shoestring, and I'm thankful that Sam sent me this, and I will use it. Like I said, I've been using it as a secondary camera. You saw some of the footage from CJ's arrest in Almost Park was done with that camera. It really works well, and it makes a good secondary camera right under my primary camera. But I can't run it full time. It also tends to get a little warm when you run it full time if it's attached to your body. That's it, guys. I think, Sam, if you want to donate something else, I can tell you the next thing I need. I need a Mavic Pro drone. Imagine what I can get into with that. That's it, guys. Y'all be safe. I hope you find this video useful. And I will see you again soon.